Hey there, fellow thrill seekers, and welcome back to Cut the your ultimate guide to cutting through the noise and getting straight to the good stuff. Today, we're strapping in for a wild ride as we tackle one of life's biggest challenges: how to quickly snap out of a funk and get back on track. I'm your host, and trust me, you're in for a treat. Now, let's be real for a second. We've all been there. Those days when getting out of bed feels like a Herculean feat, and even the simplest tasks seem insurmountable. But fear not, my friends, because today, we're arming ourselves with the tools and strategies needed to break free from the shackles of stagnation and reclaim our mojo. So how exactly do we go about shaking off the cobwebs and reigniting our inner fire? Well, allow me to introduce you to our trusty trio of game-changing strategies. First step, embrace the do something principle. You've heard the saying, just do it, right? Well, it turns out there's some truth to that. Instead of waiting around for motivation to magically materialize, why not take matters into your own hands? Start by tackling the smallest, most manageable task on your to-do list, and watch as that initial spark of action ignites a roaring blaze of productivity. Second step, reward yourself for every victory. The sweet taste of success. Whether you've conquered Mount Everest or simply managed to drag yourself out of bed before noon, every victory, no matter how small, deserves to be celebrated. By showering yourself with praise and rewards along the way, you'll not only boost your morale, but also strengthen the neural pathways associated with positive behavior. Talk about a win-win. Next step, welcome the idea of progressive overload. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, it's easy to fall into the trap of biting off more than we can chew. But here's the thing, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are sustainable habits. Instead of sprinting toward the finish line, why not opt for the slow and steady approach? By gradually increasing the difficulty of your tasks and habits over time, you'll avoid burnout and set yourself up for long-term success. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in kicking your motivation into high gear and reclaiming control of your life. But before we wrap things up, I'd like to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Skill. Haha. Just kidding. I'm not that guy. Well, folks, that's all we've got for today. But fear not, the adventure doesn't end here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on another action-packed episode of Cut. Until next time, stay motivated, stay inspired, and as always, keep cutting through the